Hello guys, welcome to next video of this playlist Python for beginners. Up till now we have successfully crossed 50 videos, which means we have successfully completed basics of Python. If you have reached this video starting from the first video of this playlist, then just congratulate yourself and just comment down I have done it. In this playlist, we have started from installing Python in your system along with VS Code. Then we understood the basics of Python such as loops, condition statements, what are they, how we can use them. Then we tried some patterns. After that, we focused on main tickinter package, which is useful to create GUIs in Python. After that, we started OOPS concept right from scratch. Till now, I have created almost 20 videos related to object-oriented programming, and only last concept is remaining, which is operator overloading, which we will be seeing in this video. So without wasting any time, let's move to our destination folder and explore the last concept of object-oriented programming. So this is our destination folder. As you can see, I will simply open this folder in VS Code as we do. So the folder has opened. Now let's open today's file, which is day 53 and title is operator overloading. So this is a very small concept. The definition of operator overloading is that it is a mechanism that allows us to give a new meaning to existing operators. I will just zoom in for you. Okay, now it's clear. In simple words, operator overloading gives a facility to users or developers to perform more than one task using single operator. So let's say I have already covered this concept in previous videos, that we can add two strings using plus operator. So the main task of this plus operator is used to add two number or two integers. But using this plus operator, we can concatenate two strings. This is basically called as operator overloading, where we simply use operators for multiple purposes. Now let's explore this concept using practical implementation. So the first is a Python program to show use of. So normally we print or add two numbers in this manner. Oh, it's plus. So the answer should be 8. Let's verify it. Actually, there is no need to verification, but let's check it. So the answer is 8, which is correct. So adding two numbers is the use of this addition operator. But we can also do one more thing, which is, let's say print let's say project, and I will simply add or append it maker. And if I run the program, it will run without any errors, just appending two strings. So here we have used this addition operator to add two numbers, and also we have used the same addition operator to add or concatenate two strings, as you can see. So this was the basic use of one operator. We can also try another operator, which is, let's say, product of two numbers. So the answer or output should be same. So we can also write it here. Let's remove it. So let's move ahead, which is product of two numbers. So we can simply get product of two numbers by using asterisk symbol or star symbol. So here the product of two numbers will be 12, which is not new to you. And as you can see, the answer is 12. But we can also use this asterisk operator to print a string multiple times. So let's check that. So I will simply print a string, let's say project, and this time I will just add an empty space to identify the difference. After that, I will simply type here asterisk and 4, or let's say 5, so that the project will be printed 5 times. So as you can see, the project has been printed 5 times. So this is what we call operator overloading, where we can use the operators to perform multiple functions. And I wanted to explain you the same concept. I hope you have understood this concept with ease. Now let's move ahead. The final task after completing this OOPS playlist of 20 videos, I recommend you to try some OOPS related projects such as library management system, hotel management system, bank management system. We have already created a simple ATM machine using OOPS concept, but that was very small project. I recommend you to do such project using OOPS concept. And also you will get a lot of tutorials available on YouTube related to this project using OOPS concept. But I recommended you to try it yourself on, and if you fail, you can watch or explore other videos. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, then don't forget to share it with your family and friends. Also, if you face any queries or have any doubts related to this video or any video related to this playlist, you can simply message me on Instagram or in comment section below. And the source code of today's video is available in video description. You can definitely check out that. Here comes the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video.